In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to connect your DualSense PS5 wireless controller to your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 so you can play some compatible games. So it's very simple. This wireless controller or this PS5 controller will connect to the tablet via Bluetooth. So first of all, ensure you go to settings and then go to connections, go to your Bluetooth settings. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on first, okay? And then automatically it's going to start scanning for devices. And to be able to connect, you need to put your wireless controller or your PS5 controller in Bluetooth pairing mode. To do that, press these two buttons, the PS button and this button simultaneously, and hold them in until you see the light here starts blinking rapidly. So this button and this button, press and hold simultaneously. Okay, so 1 to go, press and hold, keep holding, and as soon as you see that light blinking rapidly, that blue light, hope you can see it, it means the controller is in Bluetooth pairing mode. So now look for it here or tap on scan again so that the tablet can start scanning again for pairable devices. And this time you should see your DualSense wireless controller here. Tap on it. It's going to ask for pairing request. Tap on pair. And now you should see the DualSense wireless controller is currently connected to the PS5. And you can see it's working. So now if you have any compatible games, you can just hook up the controller and play those games. Okay. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.